Welcome to the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. This is Little River, which runs parallel to Little River Road. Even though it is winter, the moss continues to grow in this hardwood forest. These trees remain bare due to it still being winter. During the summer, they would provide a canopy for shade for people and animals when the leaves are present and providing homes for squirrels and birds.
Through here, couple ducks swimming in the stream.
This is a log a beaver has chewed through to make his home. Many animals rely on the forest to make their homes out of. This gives you a better visual of how large the river for Little Creek is. It is home to many animals, fish, ducks, as we saw, birds, and other wildlife. This is an intricate part of the ecosystem of the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. The pile of rocks you see was once attached to the smooth part of the rock face. These rock slides occur naturally, and some occur due to human interference with the rock faces through the Great Smoky National Park. This is another area of the Great Smoky National Park. Look at how clear the water is. It's safe for animals to drink. The foliage will provide shelter for many animals throughout the summer. These rocks are part of the riverbed when the water is higher. You will notice the different types of branches and debris that are now home there. You will also notice a steel cable, which has been washed down river at some point. Littering impacts the already limited resources of this forest and impacts how animals are able to find food and shelter through this area of the Great Smoky Mountains. This is an area of the Little River which has a large rock that is helping create rapids with a bridge that goes over it. Trash can make its way into the river if people are careless, which impacts all the animals. This is a different elevation of the Little River where more plants have leaves and show signs of life. Many animals are hibernating or just emerging from hibernation at this point. With the warmer weather on the way, the plants will grow and animals will become more active. Wildlife uses the Little River for food and drink during the spring and summer and fall, while people will use it for cooling off and fishing and other recreation usage. There is a balance that people must respect to preserve our wildlife for future generations. We believe that these tracks that we have found are from coyotes drinking at the riverbank. It is important to remember that we are in the woods where wild animals live. A waterfall that is providing fresh water from high elevations to the Little River. There are many waterfalls that feed into the Little River. Water can be from snowmelt, rain, or natural occurring springs.